Hi and welcome. Today I'll be having a condensed milk cake with my coffee. It is often my go-to cake when I spontaneously decide I want to bake a cake, because most of the time I have all the ingredients already at home. As everything is mixed in one bowl, there is also not a lot of cleanup to do after baking. And it is so simple that anyone can make this cake. I'll show you how I made it. To make the cake, we will need 1 can, 14 ounces of condensed sweetened milk, 4 room temperature eggs, 1 cup or 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 40 grams or 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of baking powder, and some lemon or orange zest if you want to give the cake a little lemon or orange flavor. Today I'm adding lemon zest and some powdered sugar for decorating the cake. Let's start by setting the oven to heat to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing a cake pan with some soft butter or oil. I am using a Bundt cake pan, 22 centimeters by 10 centimeters, which would be similar to 10 by 3 inches. In a bowl, combine the eggs and condensed milk. Mix it well with an electric mixer or by hand. Add in the bowl the melted butter, mix the flour with the baking powder, and sift in the flour and the baking powder in the bowl. Now mix the batter by hand using a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula until everything is well integrated and the batter is smooth. Mix in the lemon or orange zest. Put the batter in the prepared pan and insert in the oven to bake for approximately 40 minutes till the cake looks nice and golden. Check the cake by inserting a toothpick in the middle. I am using a longer grill match. The cake is ready if the toothpick comes out clean and dry. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. To remove the cake from the pan, put a plate on top of the cake and gently flip it over. Sprinkle the cake with some powdered sugar if you wish. And the cake is ready to be cut and enjoyed. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you get to make a cake. If you